So for today, I'm gonna be throwing a roll of Portra 800 through this Pentax IQZoom700. Absolutely ridiculous name, but apparently that's just how they named them back in the day. This is a point and shoot 35mm film camera, and I actually found this guy for $5 at a thrift store in the Bay Area about a month or so ago, and it wasn't working when I picked it up, but I threw a battery in it, I took a risk, it turned on, so I'm just hoping that this actually takes photos. I guess we'll find out if I just wasted $5 and potentially a roll of Portra 800. Let's jump to it. I forgot to mention that this camera does zoom, which is why zoom is in the name. It's a 35 to 70mm zoom action lens here. Pretty ancient. So because this is a point and shoot, it means that everything is automatic. Automatic winding, automatic focus. Makes it pretty simple to shoot film. So in the end, I'm pretty happy. I think that the camera performed pretty well. I do, however, believe that if I had anything less than 800 speed film in there, that the photos probably would have been pretty crappy. The main lesson that I took from that is that shooting this in broad daylight is probably okay for 400 or up ISO speed film stock, but anything below that, it probably would just fall apart. In fact, a few of these photos, as the sun started to set, got really muddy and really grainy. Not something that I'm super stoked about, but for $5, it didn't fail and I didn't waste my Portra 800. So in the end, pretty happy about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace, guys.